In this video I'm going to show you how you can find the equation of a straight line if you're given the gradient and a point that it passes through. So first of all, we got this question: find the equation of a line which has got gradient of 2 and it passes through the point 4, 6. First of all, gradient of a line, or a gradient of a straight line, is given by the general form y equals mx plus c, where the m shows you the gradient and the c tells you the y-intercept. The gradient is how steep the line is, and the intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So knowing that this is a straight line and knowing that m is the gradient, we're told that this line has got a gradient of 2, so our first line would be y is equal to 2x plus c. So this number 2 here corresponds to this, which is the gradient, which corresponds to the number 2 in the example. Now we've got to find the value of c, which is where it crosses the y-axis. The question tells us that this line passes through the point 4 and 6. So the point 4 and 6 means that the x value is equal to 4 and the y value is equal to 6. So we can substitute these numbers in order to find c. So y is equal to 6, which is going to equal 2 from this 2 here, times x, which is 4, plus c. So 6 is equal to 8 plus c. And now if we subtract 8 and subtract 8, we have c is equal to negative 2. Now we know we got c here, we can pop it back into our format. So we got y is equal to 2x plus c, c is equal to negative 2. This is the final answer. Just to demonstrate what gradient and intercept mean in this example, if we have an x and a y grid and we were to sketch this, this number on the end shows you the y-intercept, so it means that the line crosses at negative 2. It's a straight line. The 2 here shows me the gradient. That means that this line, for every 1 square along it goes, it will go up 2. That's the steepness of the line. Here's another example. So once again, it's a straight line, so we need to write down y is equal to mx plus c. The m is the gradient, which corresponds to 5. So we write y is equal to 5x plus c. We know it passes through the point 3, 4, so we know that x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Substituting in, 4 is equal to 5 times 3 plus c. Therefore 4 is equal to 15 plus c. So if I take away 15 here, I'm just left with c. Take away 15 here, I'm left with negative 11. So therefore y is equal to 5x and the c value is negative 11. If I was to sketch this one, it would cross the y-axis at negative 11. Because the gradient is 5, it would be quite a steep gradient. For every 1 along it went, it would go up 5.